Hi everyone! Today I wanted to show you how you can build a fully functional website in just a few minutes using Webnode AI Website Builder. And you don't need any experience with coding or design. And I will walk you through the whole process step by step. So let's dive into it. So, what exactly is Webnode AI Website Builder? It is a tool that uses artificial intelligence to automatically create your website, including the layout, the pages, even text, based on a few inputs. You can think of it as a smart assistant that builds a professional-looking website for you while you focus on your business or project. To start, all you need is a description of your website, basically a prompt. If you're not sure what to write, you can check the examples here for inspiration. For this video, I will choose Makeup Design Studio. Let's see what happens. And here is where the magic happens. The AI is now creating 3 versions of the website. It is generating layouts, writing text, and suggesting colors based on my prompt. Okay, I actually like this one. Let's go with this. But I would like to change a little bit the colors and the font to match my brand identity. So I click in Customize, the selected version. And here I can change to the color that I like the best. And I finish and go to the editor. Let's start by changing the name of your website. You can put the name of your brand here, for example. Then I would like to have this text a little bit different. Let's use AI Assistant. You can improve the text by generating a whole new text, or you can optimize for web, or restructure the text, or change the tone. I would like to choose something more inspirational. You can very easily replace the images with your own photos to make the website look like you. If you are not fully happy with the layout, you can drag and drop the elements and place them where you like. One really cool thing is that you can use AI Assistant to help you editing your website. You can describe here what you would like to include, and it will generate, for example, a new section for you. Before you go live, I have a few tips for you. First, be very clear in your prompt, so AI can generate better results for you. Second, always review the auto-generated text so it matches your voice. And last, add your own images so your website will feel very authentic. And that's how you can create a website in minutes using Webnode AI Website Builder. And I hope this video made the process feel simple for you. And let me know in the comments what kind of website would you create. Thanks for watching.